Stop using AI like everyone else. If you're just asking ChatGPT random questions, you're not building an asset. You're wasting leverage, because AI is not a tool, it's infrastructure. And the people who understand that will dominate 2026. Most creators use AI for content. Smart builders use AI for systems. There's a difference. A system means structured prompt architecture, defined output formatting, revenue integration, automation scaling, governance control. For example, instead of saying, write a YouTube script, you engineer hook velocity modeling, retention spike placement, revenue stack insertion, affiliate trigger mapping. That is system thinking. Same with SaaS. Most people build features. AI builders design decision tree prompts, conditional logic, predictive modeling, memory emulation structures. That's what separates hobby users from authority operators. This book breaks everything down into 200 structured chapters, covering prompt architecture, enterprise AI governance, YouTube automation scaling, affiliate monetization systems, SaaS engineering frameworks, capital efficiency modeling, revenue stacking. Each chapter includes execution strategy, structured framework, monetization integration, expected implementation outcomes. You don't just learn prompts, you learn AI leverage. If you're serious about building AI-driven income systems in 2026, this blueprint gives you the architecture. It's designed for entrepreneurs, agency builders, SaaS founders, automation strategists, serious AI operators. This is not hype. No unrealistic income promises, just structured execution frameworks. If you want to move from AI user to AI authority, the link is in the description. Study it, implement it, scale it, because the next 3 years belong to system builders, and AI is the system.